Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we are discussing copay in medical insurance and its importance to both insurers and policyholders. In this informative presentation, we will delve into the concept of copays, explore their significance within the realm of healthcare coverage, and shed light on how they benefit both the insurer and the policyholder. Come with us. Definition of copay. What is copay as it relates to medical/health insurance policy? A copay, short for copayment, is a predetermined, fixed amount of money that an insured individual is required to pay out of pocket for certain healthcare services or prescription medications. It is a form of cost sharing between the insurance company and the insured person. The specific details of copays can vary depending on your insurance plan, but they are typically associated with services such as doctor's office visits, specialist consultations, emergency room visits, and prescription medications. Here is an example of how copays work. Let's consider an example of how a copay works in a medical insurance policy. Person X, hereinafter called the policyholder, has a health insurance policy, and within the policy, it is stipulated that there is a copay of 1,000 shillings, or $10, per visit while seeking primary care doctor visits. This would mean that whenever the policyholder visits a health center or hospital for primary care, they are required to pay 1,000 shillings, or $10. Let's assume the policyholder visited a doctor, and the total medical bills came to 5,000 shillings, or $50. The policyholder will be required to pay 1,000 shillings, or $10, and the insurance company clears the balance. Purpose or copay. The purpose of a copay is to encourage responsible use of healthcare services and to help offset some of the costs incurred by the insurance company. By requiring the insured individual to pay a portion of the cost at the time of service, it helps prevent overutilization of healthcare services from minor ailments or non-essential visits. Benefits of copays. Copays act as a deterrent to overutilization of healthcare services. By imposing a small financial obligation on the policyholder, insurers aim to discourage unnecessary visits to doctors or specialists for minor ailments. This approach helps control healthcare expenditures, maintain affordable premiums, and ensure that resources are available for those who truly need them. Additionally, copays are instrumental in fostering a sense of cost consciousness among policyholders. When individuals contribute a fixed amount for services and prescriptions, they become more aware of the financial implications of their healthcare decisions. This heightened awareness often leads to more informed choices, increased involvement in the treatment process, and ultimately, better healthcare outcomes. Let's now look at the benefit to the policyholders as well as the insurance company. A. Benefits of copay to health/medical insurance policyholders. For policyholders, copays play a vital role in ensuring affordable access to healthcare services. They serve as a means of cost sharing, where individuals contribute a portion of the expenses while their insurance plan covers the rest. This shared responsibility encourages responsible utilization of medical services, discouraging unnecessary visits for minor ailments and promoting the appropriate use of healthcare resources. Policyholders benefit from having a copay in their medical or health policy in several ways. 1. Affordability. Copays help make health/medical insurance more affordable for policyholders. By having a copay, insurers will review premiums charged downwards since the policyholder is participating in taking care of the medical expenses, thereby sharing in the financial management of the policy. 2. Cost control. Copays act as a deterrent to unnecessary or excessive utilization of healthcare services. When policyholders have to pay a portion of the cost for each visit or prescription, it encourages them to think more critically about their healthcare choices. This can result in a more thoughtful and responsible use of medical services, reducing overall healthcare costs and preventing the misuse of resources. 3. Informed decision-making. Copays promote a sense of cost consciousness among policyholders. When individuals are required to contribute financially, they become more aware of the expenses associated with their healthcare decisions. This heightened awareness can lead to more informed choices regarding the necessity of certain treatments, tests, or procedures. Policyholders may be more likely to engage in discussions with healthcare providers, ask questions, and explore alternative options, ultimately leading to better healthcare outcomes. 4. Balanced premiums. Copays help insurance companies manage their financial obligations and maintain more stable premiums for policyholders. By sharing the costs of healthcare services, insurers can distribute the financial burden more equitably. This prevents the concentration of excessive costs on the insurer's end, which could otherwise result in higher premiums for everyone. Thus, having copays can contribute to a more sustainable and affordable insurance premiums overall. 5. Access to essential services. Copays are often structured in a way that makes preventive and essential services more affordable or even free. Insurance policies may waive or have lower copays for preventive screenings, vaccinations, or routine checkups. By incentivizing policyholders to utilize these important services, copays can contribute to early detection of health conditions, improved overall health, and potential cost savings in the long run. Overall, having a copay in a medical or health insurance policy benefits policyholders by making healthcare services more affordable, encouraging responsible utilization, promoting informed decision-making, and contributing to a balanced and sustainable insurance system. B. Benefits of copays to health/medical insurance companies. From the insurer's perspective, copays contribute to several important factors. Firstly, they help offset the costs incurred by the insurance company, enabling them to manage their financial resources effectively. By requiring policyholders to pay a portion of the expenses, insurers can distribute the financial burden more equitably, preventing an overwhelming concentration of costs on their end. Medical insurance companies benefit from incorporating a copay in their medical or health policies in several ways. 1. Financial risk mitigation. Copays help insurance companies mitigate their financial risks by sharing the cost of healthcare services with policyholders. When individuals are responsible for a portion of the expenses through copays, insurers are not solely burdened with covering the entire cost of care. This risk-sharing mechanism allows insurers to manage their financial resources more effectively and reduces their exposure to excessive claims. 2. Cost control. By implementing copays, insurance companies can help control healthcare costs. Copays act as a deterrent to overutilization of medical services, discouraging unnecessary visits for minor ailments or non-essential procedures. When individuals have to contribute financially, they are more likely to think critically about the necessity of each healthcare encounter. This can result in a more appropriate use of healthcare resources and prevent unnecessary expenses. 3. Premium stability. Copays contribute to premium stability for insurance companies and policyholders. By sharing the cost of care, insurers can maintain more predictable and stable premium rates. If insurers were solely responsible for covering all healthcare expenses, premiums would likely need to be significantly higher to accommodate these costs. Copays help distribute the financial burden more evenly and prevent premiums from skyrocketing. 4. Encouraging responsible healthcare usage. Copays incentivize policyholders to make more informed and responsible healthcare decisions. When individuals have a financial stake in their healthcare choices, they tend to be more engaged in the treatment process. This can lead to increased involvement, proactive health management, and a focus on preventive care. As a result, insurance companies may see improved health outcomes, reduced long-term healthcare costs, and potentially lower claim frequencies. 5. Resource allocation. Copays assist in ensuring that healthcare resources are utilized efficiently. When individuals have a financial obligation, they are more likely to consider alternative treatment options, explore generic medications, or seek appropriate levels of care. This helps prevent unnecessary utilization of costly services or facilities, ensuring that resources are available to those who truly need them. 6. Customer engagement. Copays foster customer engagement by encouraging policyholders to actively participate in their healthcare decisions. When individuals have financial responsibility, they become more aware of the costs and benefits associated with their healthcare choices. This can lead to increased communication with healthcare providers, asking questions, and seeking out cost-effective alternatives. Insurance companies can benefit from this engagement by building stronger relationships with their policyholders and promoting better overall healthcare outcomes. Incorporating copays into medical or health insurance policies provides insurance companies with financial risk mitigation, cost control, premium stability, promotion of responsible healthcare usage, efficient resource allocation, and increased customer engagement. These benefits contribute to the overall sustainability and success of insurance companies in providing affordable and effective coverage to policyholders. Conclusion. It's important to note that copays are separate from deductibles and coinsurance. Deductibles are the amount you must pay out of pocket before your insurance coverage kicks in, while coinsurance is the percentage of costs you are responsible for after meeting your deductible. Copays are typically a fixed dollar amount and may or may not be applied toward your deductible or out-of-pocket maximum, depending on your insurance policy. To understand the specific details of your copays, including the amounts and which services they apply to, it's best to review your insurance policy or contact your insurance provider directly. Copays in medical insurance play a crucial role in balancing the financial responsibilities between insurers and policyholders. By sharing the costs of healthcare services, copays ensure affordable access to care while encouraging responsible utilization. They help insurers manage their financial obligations effectively and promote cost-conscious decision-making among policyholders, leading to a more sustainable and equitable healthcare system. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of copays in medical insurance. We hope this video has shed light on their significance and the benefits they bring to both insurers and policyholders. Remember, understanding your insurance policy and its copay structure is key to making informed healthcare choices. Stay tuned for more enlightening content on healthcare and insurance-related topics.